afternoon, or good evening, or good morning, wherever around the world, good something. Yes, we're back to the special effects makeup. This look is part of my A-level studies. For my A-level studies right now, I'm on my independent project, which I have named Mother Nature, and I'm going to be going into all the details of nature, pollution, drugs, alcohol, teenage culture, social issues, and this is the first official piece that I will be also drawing, so I'll also update you on that later on, except I won't be drawing myself, I'll be drawing my friend, who I'm going to make up like this on Monday. This video is kind of like the experimental phase. I wanted to just sit down and try it out before doing it on Monday to my friend, because, you know, I don't really want to mess up her face multiple times. Better that I mess up my own face multiple times. So yeah, you're going to see the whole process of this, how I created this, and also kind of like my mistakes and how I've learned to do this along the way. I used special effects gelatin to create this, but I think that maybe next time I'll just use liquid latex and tissue instead, because I don't really like the gelatin on it and it's easier to paint liquid latex. So I'm not going to use gelatin for the actual thing on Monday, but yeah. This look is all based on the fact that, you know, pain and beauty can cause this pain that we feel, also about pollution and how you're trying to keep these you're trying to keep these plants alive, but they're dying because of us. And this is kind of like their payback, in a way. But mostly about beauty and pain and how we're conforming and trying to conform to society's idea of beauty when we're all beautiful ourselves. And this idea of like roses and flowers, they're beautiful, but they're growing out of the skin and causing us to bleed and feel pain, which is what society makes us feel. As girls, as boys, we're all trying to conform to like this idea of beauty in society, and as a result we're getting things like bulimia, depression and suicidal thoughts, and it's not nice. And this is like my awareness thing for you guys, and also part of my project. So yeah, my camera's running out of charge. Right, okay, I'm just gonna let you go. I'll see you in a minute. Yeah, enjoy the video. Bye. Before applying any gelatin, I need to map out where I want my wounds to be using a pencil. This is just going to prepare us before applying our special effects gelatin on the face. I will leave a link to the video I used to make this special effects gelatin in the description box. Be warned, this stuff reeks of, I don't even know what, it's just really bad. Anyway, I'm using the gelatin to build up a wall around the markings. This didn't really work though, because the gelatin dried too quickly, going stringy and pulling up the layers I applied underneath. So we went for option 2. I put the gelatin in a rough shape similar to the markings on my face on a plastic mat. I was then able to peel these up and apply them directly to the face using spirit gum. You just need to trim them to fit your face, preferably before applying them, unlike me. To blend the edges with my skin, I used a few layers of latex to bridge the gap between prosthetic and skin. I then quickly applied some concealer and foundation off camera, avoiding the prosthetics. To colour the gelatin, I'm using Dashbow alcohol activated paints. I started with a pale yellow shade before creating the effect of irritation using a mixture of red, pink and purple for bruising. Using a stipple sponge as well really helps to achieve more of a natural skin texture and also the effect of broken capillaries around the face. Using a few colours such as blue and green can also help to blend into your own skin tone. Now for the main focus, which is the flowers. I use latex to stick these onto the face. You can use whatever fake flowers and greenery that you want. I went for mostly roses, daisies, red petals and a few small leaves to break it up a bit. Just apply these however you want, overlapping a few to create some depth. Add a bit of glamour for the beauty concept of this look. I went for a pastel purple winged eyeliner, a bit of a peachy blush, a glowy highlight, and I topped it all off with some eyelashes.
I also lightly filled in my eyebrows with a brow powder for a softer look. For the lips, I went for a soft pink lip stain, keeping it mostly to the centre of the lips and blurring it out towards the outer edges. I wanted to create contrast between the soft, innocent beauty of the face and the gruesome and bloody flowers growing from it. Speaking of gore and gruesome, for blood I first put on a thicker blood, spreading it around and onto the flowers before using some runnier blood to create drips and smudges. Then, your look is complete! I hope you enjoyed this video and found it interesting to see my thought process and experimental phase. If you want to see more videos like this as well as updates on my artwork, then let me know in the comments, subscribe and like this video. See you later guys! Nobody loves me.